Did you know that nearly 80% of adults live paycheck to paycheck? Yes, that's a staggering number. It's a real eye-opener, right? If you're tired of feeling stressed about money and want to take control of your finances, stick around because today, we're diving into some budgeting tips that everyone should know. Namaste, India. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about budgeting, something that's super important for your financial health. Whether you're trying to save for a vacation, pay off a debt, or just make sure you have enough left over at the end of the month, budgeting is the key. Let's set the stage for some practical tips that can help you manage your money better in 2024. Now, let's be real for a second. Budgeting can be tough. A lot of adults struggle with it because they either don't know where to start or they just lack the motivation. Maybe you've tried budgeting before but found it too complicated or boring. Or perhaps you think it's just not for you because you want to enjoy your life now, not just save for the future. But guess what? You can enjoy life and be smart with your money. You're not alone in this. Many people face these same challenges, and that's why today's tips are designed to be super simple and effective. All right, let's dive into the 10 budgeting tips that can really help you out. Number 1, track your expenses. Start by knowing where your money goes each month. Use apps, spreadsheets, or good old-fashioned pen and paper. Just find a method that works for you. Number 2, set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Saving for a trip? A new car? Whatever it is, having clear goals keeps you motivated. Number 3, create a realistic budget. Don't just pull numbers out of thin air. Make sure your budget reflects your actual income and expenses. It should be something you can realistically stick to. Number 4, prioritize needs over wants. This one's a biggie. Make sure you're covering necessities before splurging on things you want. This will help you avoid overspending. Number 5, use the 50-30-20 rule. This is a simple guideline where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. It's a great framework for beginners. Number 6, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, you won't even miss the money, and you'll be saving without thinking about it. Out of sight, out of mind. Number 7, review and adjust regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Review it monthly and make adjustments as needed. Flexibility is key. Number 8, cut unnecessary subscriptions. Take a look at your recurring expenses. Are there any subscriptions you don't use? Cancel them and free up some cash. Number 9, use cash for discretionary spending. Try the envelope system. Take out cash for things like dining and entertainment. When it's gone, it's gone. Number 10, seek professional help if needed. If budgeting feels overwhelming, don't hesitate to reach out to a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your situation. Now, if there's one tip that can truly transform your financial situation, it's automating your savings. Also called standing instructions. Seriously, setting up that automatic transfer can work wonders. You'll save money without even thinking about it, and before you know it, you'll have a nice little cushion for emergencies or that vacation you've been dreaming about. This small change can lead to significant improvements in your financial health over time. So, to wrap it all up, budgeting doesn't have to be a drag. By tracking your expenses, setting clear goals, and using these 10 tips, you can take control of your finances and work towards financial stability. Remember, it's all about finding a system that works for you and being consistent. Now, we want to hear from you. What budgeting tips have you found helpful? Drop a comment below sharing your experiences. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other personal finance videos for more tips that can help you on your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.